go up to the door. Ready? Oh, this one is more. 2, 3. Okay, let's ring the doorbell. Get ready. Get ready. Okay, let's go. Oh, there she is. Now get ready. What do you say? When she opens, say trick or treat.
You look so pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, you do.
Can you say Happy Halloween?
What?
Happy Halloween.
Pumpkin, that's pretty.
Thank you.
You're welcome.